with the highest n will be that alternative which have the maximum q. So maximum q divided by maximum q is 1. So 100 into 1 will be 100. So the best alternative will always have the utility value of 100 and other will be less than 100. Okay. Next one, let us discuss with an worked example. This is a simple example. C1 and C3 are the beneficial criteria. C2 is the cost criteria. We have three total alternatives, A1, A2, A3. The values of C1, the beneficial criteria is given here. You can see that. These are the values of the beneficial criteria. For A1 it is 80, for A2 it is 60, for A3 it is 90. And the values of A1, A2, A3 for the another beneficial criteria is this one, 7, 9 and 6 respectively for A1, A2 and A3. This is another beneficial criteria referred as 6 C3. Then you have your cost criteria, that is C2, and so this is the value of C2. This is the cost criteria, and these are all beneficial criteria indicated by plus, right? So the value of C2 for A1, A2, A3 is 50, 40 and 60 respectively. Okay. Now what about the weights of the criteria? C1 has a weight of 0.50, C2 0.30, C3 0.2. Note that the summation of the weight will be 1. So this is this you have to follow, because summation of the all the weights must be equals to 1. Okay. Now you have to normalize the value of A1, A2 and A3 with respect to C1, C2 and C3. So to find the normalized value of A1 for C1, what we have to do? First you have to sum all these values.